Teamgate versus Close CRM, which is better for sales calls and AMP. Outreach? If you're in sales, you probably know how important it is to have a CRM that can help you manage calls and outreach effectively. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one for your team? Today, we're comparing Teamgate and Close CRM to help you make an informed decision on which software can level up your sales efforts. Stick around till the end, because we'll reveal a better alternative based on real experience. First up, let's talk about Teamgate. Teamgate is designed for smaller businesses that need a simple yet effective CRM for sales calls and outreach. It's got a clean interface that's easy to navigate, which makes it perfect for sales reps who want a no-fuss system. One thing I really liked about Teamgate is its built-in pipeline management. You can track deals from lead generation all the way through closing. It also integrates with a lot of tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams, which is great if your team already uses those platforms. However, where Teamgate falls short is in the customization department. For a CRM that's supposed to help you streamline outreach, there aren't enough deep integrations or reporting options. And while it offers decent call logging features, it's not quite as sophisticated as Close CRM when it comes to tracking and automating follow-up tasks. Now, moving over to Close CRM. Close CRM is much more focused on maximizing sales outreach. What really stands out with Close CRM is its automation features. If you're working with a larger team or have high outreach volumes, Close's power lies in its ability to automate repetitive tasks. This means your team can spend more time selling and less time following up manually. It has excellent call management features, including click-to-dial and automatic logging of calls, which saves a lot of time. The real kicker is its built-in email and SMS automation, which is a huge plus for sales calls and outreach. Close also has robust reporting and analytics tools, making it easier to measure performance and tweak your outreach strategy. But it's not perfect. While Close CRM is feature-rich, it comes at a higher price point, especially if you're a small business or startup. Plus, it can be overwhelming to set up at first, and not every small team will need all the advanced features Close offers. Next, let's touch on the support and customer service experience. Teamgate's support team is responsive, but they don't offer 24/7 live chat, which could be a deal breaker for some teams that need constant support. Close CRM, on the other hand, provides excellent customer service with live chat support, email responses, and a dedicated help center. However, I found that it could take longer to resolve issues due to the complexity of their system. You might need some time to get everything working smoothly. Another important factor is the ease of use. Teamgate is straightforward and doesn't have too steep of a learning curve. You can get started without much hassle, but that simplicity does come with limitations. Close CRM, however, is more powerful and packed with features, so expect a bit more of a learning curve. However, once you get the hang of it, Close CRM really shines in its ability to streamline sales outreach. Let's talk pricing. Teamgate is more affordable, making it a better option for small businesses or teams just starting out. Close CRM can get expensive, especially as your team grows and you unlock more features. If you're looking for scalability, it might be worth the investment. But for teams that want a more affordable option, Teamgate might be the better fit, assuming you don't need the extra power. In the end, both software options have their strengths. Teamgate is great for smaller businesses who need a simple, easy-to-use CRM that manages sales calls and outreach without overwhelming them with unnecessary features. On the flip side, Close CRM is designed for sales teams that need more robust features and advanced automation tools to drive outreach at scale. However, after trying both of these myself, I've found a better alternative if you're looking to really streamline your sales calls and outreach. If you want a tool that combines the simplicity of Teamgate with the advanced automation and reporting features of Close CRM, check out the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Ultimately, it's not about which CRM is better overall, it's about which CRM is the best fit for your team's needs. So, make sure to take advantage of the free trial and see which option works best for your sales calls and outreach.